This presentation is intended to give an introduction of the topic based on the textbook and other references. You are advised to perform further readings, internet searchings, and discussions for better understanding and assessment purposes. Topic 3. Computer hardware. Today's computer systems come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and computing capabilities. The rapid development in computer systems and the changing end-user needs drive the invention of new models of computers. We can have the smallest handheld personal digital assistant or smartphone that can do almost what a typical personal computer can do, to the largest multiple CPU mainframes for big enterprises. Types of computer systems. There are three major categories of computer systems: microcomputer systems, mid-range systems, and mainframe systems. Microcomputers are the most important category of computer systems for both business people and consumers. Although usually called a personal computer or a PC, a microcomputer is much more than a small computer for use by an individual as a communication device. The computing power of microcomputers now exceeds the mainframes of previous computer generations, but at a fraction of their cost. Categories such as mainframe, mid-range, and microcomputer systems are still used to help us express the relative processing power and number of end users that can be supported by different types of computers. Other names are commonly given to highlight the major uses of particular types of computers. Examples include personal computers, network servers, network computers, and technical workstations. The concept of a computer system. As a business professional, you do not need detailed technical knowledge of computers. However, you do need to understand some basic concepts about computer systems, which should help you to become an informed and productive user of computer system resources. A computer is a system, an interrelated combination of components that performs the basic system functions of input, processing, output, storage, and control, thus providing end users with a powerful information processing tool. The figure shows a computer is a system of hardware devices organized according to the system functions. First, input. The input devices of a computer system include computer keyboards, touch screens, pens, electronic mice, and optical scanners. They convert data into electronic form for direct entry or through a telecommunications network into a computer system. Second, processing. The Central Processing Unit or CPU is the main processing component of a computer system. Conceptually, the circuitry of a CPU can be subdivided into two major subunits: the arithmetic logic unit and the control unit. The electronic circuits known as registers of the arithmetic logic unit perform the arithmetic and logic functions required to execute software instructions. Third, output. The output devices of a computer system include video display units or monitors, printers, and speakers. They convert electronic information produced by the computer system into human intelligible form for presentation to end users. Fourth, storage. The storage function of a computer system takes place in the storage circuits of the computer's primary storage unit or memory, supported by secondary storage devices such as magnetic disk or hard drive and optical disk drives. These devices can store data and software instructions needed for processing. Computer processors may also include storage circuitry called cache memory for high-speed, temporary storage of instruction and data elements. Fifth, control. The control unit of a CPU is the control component of a computer system. Its registers and other circuits interpret software instructions and transmit directions that control the activities of the other components of the computer system. This is the end of presentation. Thank you.